In this video, we're going to attempt to show you how to change a headlight on a 2021 Ram ProMaster van. ProMaster, we've heard that these Silver Star Ultra H7s are supposed to be pretty good, so that's what we're going to try to put in today on one side and just see how the effect is before potentially doing the other. So for tools, you're going to need a 10mm socket, a Phillips head screwdriver, and that was really about it as far as tools, and maybe some gloves as we were showing here because it was a little bit chilly out.
So I'm going to get a little closer to see it better.
So there's a screw and a washer. And I'm going to put that right into my pocket. And then there's these two up here. The next two screws that are at the top of the headlight near the windshield are plastic, and they were stripping as I was using the screwdriver. So what I ended up doing was just using a pair of pliers instead, just so I didn't strip the screws out. Well, the screw didn't work, but this does. Because what was happening was that we were actually starting to split it and crack it inside with the screwdriver. So just use the outer portion.
Kind of seems easier though than what we...
Alright, so there's that. Zip the pocket up. 3 pieces are inside. After you've removed the 3 screws, go ahead and remove the lower paneling that's around the headlight assembly. You can just use a flathead screwdriver. Be careful, there's a few little prongs that you don't want to break. And once you get off that, you are all set to go. The whole thing comes right off and you can move on. After you remove the lower molding, you're then going to go ahead and remove a total of 3 bolts utilizing a 10mm socket. There's one that I just took off in the corner. There's one right here by the engine. And then after we remove this one, it's fairly long, you're going to go ahead and remove the upper white portion at the top of the light. That's going to come right off. You'll see here in the video, that just pops right off. And then there's another bolt right inside of here for you to go ahead and remove. And once that is done, you can then remove the entire headlight assembly so you can change your headlights.
Oh geez. To put in. And you said that is the high beam. Your light.
Yep. So.
Oh, that came out easy compared to.
Yeah. So you just squeeze right there, that little component, and it.
Can you shine your light on it?
I'm not sure if you can see, but.
No, it's not helpful.
Right there.
Oh, there it is.
That just pulls down that little tab, and the light comes right on out.
Oh, cool.
And there is our old headlight. So
finessed it like a nurse.
So there are these 2 top posts here, the little bridge there, and then this guy goes in on this side. So when you're squeezing to go around or behind that screw post there, and that's what sets it in place. And voila.
We have lights.
Oh yeah. Wow. Let me see.
Can you see it on the screen how that's white and that's yellow? So that's when the difference, you come over here and it's a little bit more yellow.
Okay. Oh, all right. So here's an easier way to do it. So when you take off the old bulb, see that little thing is facing towards the side over here. So we're gonna just pull straight out.
Is it the same setup as the high beam?
Yes.
Okay. So now let's see if we can get it back the way it was. It's wound care on our van. It's Nurse's World.
Just like that.
It's something's not lined up on the bottom, I think, down here. Or is that right?
That's fine.
Oh.
That's it.
Oh, yes, I see the holes lined up.
All right, so let's...
Here we go. So here is the original. So you see the yellow golden tone. Now we're gonna go over to the new ones, and they're crisper and clear.
Nice and bright white. I'm just gonna go ahead and fast forward through this portion here. I'm just putting all the screws and bolts back into place. So then when we're done with this, we can go ahead and put the molding pieces back on the top and on the bottom.
Job invitations on the phone. Oh, afterwards. Makes sense. Wow. Think it's gonna hold?
It should, even with
It has one.
well, no, it's got two in the back.
Oh.
It has three clips altogether.
You just gotta be careful next time we don't break the other one.